Hey YouTube, this is the December 2019 update for Project 1 million. November was a good month for Project 1 million. Let's go through the history of any transactions in November and let's take a look at the year-to-date performance of the portfolio. Project 1 million is my attempt to grow a capital base of about 150k to 1 million in under 10 years. Let's look at the portfolio. I didn't buy or sell any new shares in November. In fact, I've not sold a single share the entire year. As part of the strategy to reach 1 million, I try to deposit about $1,000 into the account every month, on average. So in November, I deposited another $1,000+ into the account. I sold another put option on Upwork.com. I was probably a little too early on this put option because the price fell further. I also sold another put option on Baozun. Baozun is a leading e-commerce software provider in China, similar to Shopify. I will probably do a separate video on these put options and of course on a more detailed analysis on Baozun. Let's take a look at the portfolio allocation in our portfolio at the end of November. Amazon is still our top holding at about 19%. Google is 12% plus another 4%, which makes it 16%. And so Google is our second biggest holding. Facebook is our third biggest holding at about 15%. Our top three holdings make up about 50% of the portfolio. Our next top 5 stocks, Visa, Booking, Baba, MasterCard, and Intuitive Surgical, make up about 29% of the portfolio. So, our top 8 stocks make up about 80% of the portfolio. Every month, we compare our performance against the performances of the best indices and the best funds. So, let's take a look at how our portfolio did against the SPY, the S&P 500, against the VGT ETF, against IGM, the Expanded Tech ETF, Berkshire Focus Fund, and the Nasdaq ETF. So, the market has done about 25.6% plus. Project 1 million has done about 28.7% year to date. The Nasdaq has done about 30%. IGM ETF has done about 35%. The Berkshire Focus Fund has done about 37%. And the Vanguard Information Technology ETF VGT has done about 41% year to date. Let's also take a look at how our fund performed against the FundsMate Equity Fund. The FundsMate Equity Fund manages about $18.3 billion. The FundsMate Equity Fund did a performance of about 25.36% year to date. So, we are beating this billion-dollar fund managed by Terry Smith. So, that's the update for December. We post regular updates on our eToro newsfeed. In that newsfeed, we post links to articles that we are reading and we provide our thoughts on developments in the stocks that we invest in. Check it out for more current updates. If you do not have an eToro account yet, you can use the link in the description tab and open up an account, and you will get an additional $50 if you use our link. The market has been on an incredible uptrend in 2019. This is our last update on the portfolio for 2019. We are still very bullish on our companies and we are holding on to these companies. We do not plan to sell any of these companies anytime soon. The underlying factor among all these companies is their strong and durable moat, and that will sustain their businesses for many years to come. That's the update for November. Let me know what your thoughts are on the companies we own, what you think about our performance, and any other comments you have. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next update next year.